We opened this last time, the Charizard set. Pokemon. This one is next. I got it for 50 because it was damaged and the guy liked me, so whoops. Oops. I hope the Charizard's in here, because if not, I'll end it. Here's the pamphlet. Ooh. Wait, let me see what you want. Is it on here? Where is it? Where's the Charizard? Is this one not Charizard?
I'm looking through the set. I don't see a Charizard.
Fuck! What am I thinking of? Alright, whatever. We're looking for a card to make our money back. We got cards and code card, sleeves, energies. No promo in this set. Big sad. I know because I looked at the box when I bought it. Coins. And dividers, if you're one of those people. We have 8 pack. Wait, is it 8? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, see, look, there's Charizard right there. The hunt is a shiny Charizard. Oh, there's dice in there too. Isn't that fun? You played the game. Not. All right.
You're looking for any rainbow and then the Charizard.
So we need a gay card, or it's a loss. And I'm gonna end it. I haven't heard anything about the hit rate for this thing. So, you know, we'll see. I mean, given this one's $50. $50, that's not, you know, that's not too bad. Hey, it's not a green code card. That's good. And you need that code card. Do people even like scan these? Do you know?
Yeah.
Should be 4. It is 4. I know how to do it. Doesn't that sound nice? A fucking Stunfisk. What is Stunfisk even supposed to be?
The flatfish from Nemo. He's like, hey, what are you kids doing
A flounder?
Yeah. Is that what that is?
It kind of looks like this one was cut diagonally slightly.
Uh-huh.
It actually slopes down.
Misprint.
It's a miscut. We got an error card, guys. It's worth $1,000.
It's priceless. Black labeled. Can't sell it. Damn.
Shit would not get black label. Fuck. I know the green cards are actually guaranteed.
Here, give that
no.
to Diego. He needs it.
Oh yeah, you need a green card.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. The camera's gonna die, but here we go. We're just gonna flip through it because I know it's nothing. Yep. Go figure. All right, Darkness Ablaze. We're on pack number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is pack number 3. Pack number 3. There's a lot of extra room in this pack. God pack. Please don't be green. Please don't be green. It's green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing? This is grooming?
Yes.
Right in the garbage. Pack number 4. 4 is the lucky number. just want one hit today, you know, that wasn't a promo.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. There's the code card. That's 4, right? I mean, it doesn't even matter. Green literally means nothing, right?
Yep.
Yeah. It's not even worth it.
You can get that 1% like Redman.
I think it's actually a lower chance of the green than white code card. Pretty sure.
1%. It's a 1 out of 10 chance you're just being bad at it.
Fuck, dude. Holy shit. I'm getting dicked down. Oh. Actually, I like the art on that one. I showed the code card, right?
You did now?
Darkness Ablaze. Lucky pack number, I forgot. Huh? Ah, see, this is what we like to see.
It's a win.
A win is a win is a win. Alright, if this isn't anything, I'm gonna call 1-800-GAMBLER. We got a Pikachu.
Yep.
Next pack.
You gotta be fixable.
No, it's a Pikachu. Why are you doing this? Good, good, good. We like this, we like this. Wait, it's 4. 4.
Yep.
Come on, baby. Please. Oh, last pack magic.
No, it's fine. His prismatic evolutions are gonna go crazy.
It's not gonna be anything. Yep, yeah, okay. That's about right. We got 2 hits, guys. Oh my god. I hate my life.